This is my BMW 07335i twin turbo Burger Motorsports JB4. I have an E85 mixture of about 40%. I just added an M3 style front fascia with a big CX Racing intercooler and some carbon fiber lids to match. Dressed it up with a little blue LED to some other carbon fibers on the headlamps. Got the AEM dual DCIs, turbo smart blow-off valves. Two of them there. Meth bong there if you want to use it later. Have the VRSF 3-inch downpipes. Remove one cat. Got some upgraded rotors. Callahans, but I wouldn't suggest those. They already warped on me. So they're not perfectly good, but they do brake great. Pulls like a freight train. Thanks for watching my video.